Kakasi Students Union minta kesni kalau orang bakam iahap jingmut bat kata ke perdan give and take policy jong ke sarkar jela ha ke jingi pynbeit khappud hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam. Presiden ke KSU ba Lambok Star Marngar ulaong
submitted the report to the Home Ministry, but they have not been finalized. Signature of the same has not been done, and most importantly, the report of the GSI Geological Survey India is also awaited, and the last authority who will decide will be the Government of India through the Ministry of Home Affairs. So it's very much relevant, and after all, also we the NGO also have not agreed to what the government said. We have raised several issues which the government has tried to clarify. We, from day one, from HYC, we worked together with SameShape, with village, Khasi village, under this council. So this is the thing that we have once again have to go back to them to have a second thought on all this. So it won't be easy for us also to take a call on this matter as of now. And I don't know whether the government they want to go ahead after this meeting or not. But we feel that it should not go ahead after this meeting. We need to rediscuss. We need to be to go back to those villages and to those border area to have a talk again with this, especially with the Hima and the Basnong in this border area. That we want to go to this side. You cannot. We feel that it's not advisable to even consider that. Consultation was done in the past almost 50 years. There's no doubt. If you go to the government proceeding, lots of consultation, lot of committee, lot of regional committee, the 3 sub-committee already formed by the government. So DIN consultation. So this, but as of now, we want to know what is the report. What is the how can I say? What is that boundary is supposed to be, from which village, from which area. So that kind of thing that we are discussing today, but there's a lot of gray area, still lot of gray area in this report. So we, as of now, HYCs make our point very clear that till date, until unless we go back and have a second discussion with the stakeholder, real stakeholder like SameShape, this council and villagers, we will not take a call on this.